పార్టీ వెంటనే ఎస్సీ వర్గీకరణపై బీజేపీ పార్టీ వెంటనే ఎస్సీ వర్గీకరణపై బీజేపీ పార్టీ వెంటనే ప్రస్తుత పార్లమెంటు సమావేశాల్లోనే
My name is YK Vishwanath Madiga Lads Federation National President. Since 27 years, the MRPS movement is struggling for categorization. Now, already we have enjoyed for 4.5 years in 2000 to 2004. Again, the Constitution struck down, the Supreme Court struck down the categorization bill. Again, we are hesitating since 17 years, not yet resolved. This is this problem. By the Parliament, it has to be taken immediately action to introduce into the Parliament, as well as so we demanding the government and the opposition party leader Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji. So we requesting you and demanding you, sir. This is since 7 years long-standing bill. The entire the Telugu people from Telangana and Andhra people are suffering and they are losing the opportunities since 27 years. That's why we came here and supporting the MRPS as well as our legend leadership, Manisri Mandakrishna Madigaru. He is our leader. On behalf of the community, we are here to demanding our demand and our categorization bill. With finally, the government, the central government, we are demanding, sir, as soon as possible, the introducing the bill in the Parliament, and as well as the Article 341, which is the need to the amendment, that we are demanding that. And this Punjab case, in the Punjab case, the larger bench has to be constituted for the resolving and revisiting the EV Chennai versus State of Andhra Pradesh case. This is the responsibility to the government and support and instruct the Advocate General to as soon as possible to introduce in the Supreme Court also. Yes, thank you.
मेरा नाम है जयाकर। मैं तेलंगाना स्टेट बार काउंसिल का मेंबर भी हूँ।
तो आप बखूबी आप एक वकील भी हैं और बार काउंसिल
मेंबर भी।
आपको भी पता भी होगा कि इसमें क्या-क्या खामियां हैं।
वही बोलूँ।
तो आप अच्छे से बता भी सकते हैं और सरकार से क्या ये जो डिमांड सब लोग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, क्या ये जायज है डिमांड?
मैं जयाकर हूँ। मैं बार काउंसिल का मेंबर, सीनियर एडवोकेट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट हैदराबाद तेलंगाना। आज जो ये एजिटेशन हो रहा है MRPS का, दैट इज़ विथ डिमांड टू कैटेगराइजेशन के लिए। SC कास्ट में 59 सब कास्ट है, उसमें से कैटेगराइजेशन करें तो सबको फल मिलेगा। उसके लिए यहाँ तक आके एजिटेशन कर रहे हैं MRPS। मादिगा लॉयर्स फेडरेशन टुडे इज देयर।
आप कहना चाह रहे हैं अगर कैटेगराइजेशन ABCD के तहत किया जाता है तो सबको बराबर मिलेगा?
बराबर।
खाली एक ही कैटेगरी को नहीं दिया?
एक ही, अभी तो एक ही कैटेगरी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, एक ही कैटेगरी खा रहे हैं। अगर कैटेगराइजेशन करने से हर सब कास्ट को भी फायदा होगा। वो फायदा के लिए आज लॉयर्स तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, महाराष्ट्र, पूरा 5 स्टेट से आज पूरा सभी लॉयर्स, ओनली लॉयर्स, आज पूरा 5 राष्ट्रों से एडवोकेट्स लॉयर्स दिल्ली को आके आज ये धरना दीक्षा कर रहे हैं जंतर मंतर में। इसको मदद देने के लिए मेरे को गेस्ट बुलाया। मैं मान के मैं हैदराबाद से यहाँ तक इन लोगों को मदद देने के लिए आया हूँ। यहाँ एक ही रास्ता है, रास्ता पूरा केंद्र बीजेपी सरकार के हाथ में है। वो रास्ता बीजेपी सरकार के हाथ में है। अगर बीजेपी सरकार, इससे पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक जजमेंट दिया था, वो जजमेंट के अनुसार सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने पार्लियामेंट में बिल लाना क्या है, वो बिल लाने के लिए अभी तक 27 साल से 27 साल से एजिटेशन कर रहे हैं। अभी डिमांड कर रहा हूँ मैं बीजेपी सरकार को, बीजेपी पार्टी को, 27 ईयर से पेंडिंग जो है ये कैटेगराइजेशन का डिस्प्यूट, आप चाहे तो ये 5 मिनट का काम है, वो 5 मिनट में वो बिल लगा के पूरा देश में जो है चमारिया और मादिगा कम्युनिटी पीपल, कंप्लीट शेड्यूल कास्ट पीपल जो है भारत में कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक सबको फ़ायदा होगा। पूरा देश का ये एससी कम्युनिटी का फ़ायदा होने का इतना इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यू बीजेपी ने टेकअप नहीं कर रहे हैं और वो पार्लियामेंट में भी बिल नहीं लगा रहे। यहीं से मैं अब डिमांड कर रहे पूरा वकील लोग 5 राष्ट्रों से आया जो वकील लोगों के तरफ से मैं डिमांड कर रहा हूँ बीजेपी को, अभी जो चल रहे पार्लियामेंट में ही बिल लगाना। अगर बिल नहीं लगाए तो वो 5 स्टेटों में हमारा जात वाला कितने लोग जो है वो पार्टी को खिलाफ कर देगा,
बाइकआउट करेंगे,
वो ज़रूर खिलाफ ही काम कर देंगे
क्या खिलाफ?
अगेंस्ट पार्टी।
Pramila advocate from Telangana state. Our demand is mainly categorized ABCD, SC ABCD వర్గీకరణ. ఈరోజు మేము ఒక ఇంటలెక్చువల్ టీమ్గా ఇక్కడ ఢిల్లీలో ఇక్కడ జరుగుతున్న పార్లమెంట్ సెషన్స్ని మేము డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఏబిసిడి వర్గీకరణ అనేది కంపల్సరీ, ఎస్సీ వర్గీకరణ అనేది ఈ పార్లమెంట్ సెషన్లోనే బీజేపీ గవర్నమెంట్ కంపల్సరీ మాకు రిజర్వేషన్ బిల్లు ప్రవేశపెట్టి ఆమోదింప చేయాలని మేము మీడియా ప్రతినిధుల ద్వారా ఢిల్లీ నుండి కోరుచున్నాం.
Hello, my name is Mutaya. I'm a retired professor from Osmania University and young lawyer. I'm also an advocate. Recently, I enrolled myself as an advocate. See, Madiga subcasts have been struggling for equal distribution of reservations for the last 27 years under leadership of Krishna Madiga. Reservations are being implemented from the common list of 59 castes. Due to that, 1 or 2 castes are sharing the reservation benefit in disproportionate to their population. So consequently, the Madigas are not getting their share. Similarly, other smaller castes like Relli, these castes are not getting their share. So that people started, in fact, Krishna Madiga started movement about 27 years ago. But twice Supreme Court, High Court decided that this is unconstitutional because this policy has to be made only by the Parliament of India. And very recently, Mishra judgment pronounced very clearly that states have power to subcategorize scheduled caste. Subcategories means grouping, making the out of the 62 or 59 caste, they will have to be grouped into 4 ABCD groups. If the reservations are implemented following this policy of subcategorization, each of the caste gets its own proportion of the benefits. So that now we are looking forward to the Parliament of India to pass an amendment act subcategorizing scheduled caste into groups. And this is one hope. The other hope is that already in Punjab case, Supreme Court very clearly stated that states are having power to subcategory classification. And this case is referred to the larger bench. If the larger bench is constituted and the judgment is pronounced by the majority of the judges in the larger bench, this is going to become law very soon. Otherwise, our leader very recently made it clear, if BJP does not amend the constitution subcategorizing scheduled caste into groups, in the next elections, our people are going to see that BJP is defeated in the elections, and we will be searching for our own solution to different sources. Thank you.
జరగండి నరేంద్ర అన్న అందరికి వచ్చినట్టు చూడండి
అన్న మీరు అందరూ జరుగుతా అక్కడ లాంగ్ ఫోటో అందరు చూస్తారు జరగండి అందరు జరగండి
రాజనా
తామానికి పెద్ద తెచ్చిండే
అయితే మేము దండలు వేసుకున్నామని అనుకున్నాం.
ఒకళ్ళకి ఇచ్చినట్టు.
అన్నే
అందరు పట్టుకొని ఉండాలి.